Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily fix YouTube not working on your iOS 12, iOS 13, iOS 14, iOS 15 and so on devices. And this video also includes the fix to the problem where the video stops playing after 1 minute or when you try to seek to a section which is longer than 1 minute. It just stops. It keeps on buffering. I have already covered this topic in my previous guide, but in this video I will include that also for the beginners with the 1 minute video stuck or stop fix. As you can see, I have this iPhone 6 which is currently running iOS 12.5.8. This video is for educational and informational purposes with the only goal to make these older devices usable again. When you open YouTube on these devices, these older devices, you get this update required prompt, and when you try to update, it will take you to the App Store where there is indeed no update. If you hit on update, you keep seeing this message to get an older version of this app. When you hit download, it will keep on looping and it doesn't work. Now to fix this issue, your device must be jailbroken. The jailbreak guides for iOS 12.5.8 and lower are in the description, and the same method will also apply on any higher version of iOS 12 than iOS 12.5.8. If the method remains same, I will mention that in the title and description to upgrade it. Once you are jailbroken, you will see Cilio on your home screen, as I recommend you to use Chimera rather than Check Rain because the fix works better with the Chimera jailbreak via Cilio. Once you are jailbroken, simply open Cilio. Now, first of all, simply go to search and search for this package, libhooker common. Alright, open it and then from there install this package so that your tweaks can run. With that, go to search and also install preference loader. This is not required for this fix, but it will prepare your device to show the tweaks settings in your settings app. Just a little benefit to you. Once libhooker and preference loader are installed, simply open Cilio again. Then go to sources and make sure the first repo, which is the charis repo.charis.com, is added. You can see them on your screen also. And the second one is the poomsmart.github.io/repo. You can add them by hitting this add button. Type them here and then hit add source. From the poomsmart repo, open it, go to all categories, and from there install YouTube Legacy. Simply hit on get. You can see it is completely free and it will automatically install all edit packages. Once complete, simply restart Springboard once. Now simply go in and now let's open YouTube app. As you can see, it is now fixed. Now if you open shorts, you can see they work without issues. If you go to home and let's search for something, let's play it. You can see it is playing without issues. Now for the issues where video gets stuck or stops after seeking after the 1 minute mark is very easy. I will simply close out of YouTube now. Again open Cilio, go to sources. Now again go to the poomsmart repo, go to all categories, and from there simply search for this package. Simply hit it, you will find it right here. Get queued and confirm. This is also completely free. Then simply restart Springboard. Once you are back, simply open YouTube app again. Now from there, let's play something. You can see it works. And now if I seek past 1 minute, you can see it works. No issues whatsoever. You can see the timing again. You can see the time being advanced, which means that the video is not stuck. no playback, no seek issues whatsoever. On top of it, if you want to sign in, you can do so. You can simply hit this issue button here, then hit sign in, continue, and then simply sign in with your ID. As you can see, I am now successfully signed in. You can see no issues whatsoever. I can now seek past 1 minute, and you can see the video keeps on playing. You can see the time running. Also, please keep in mind that to use the YouTube app, your device must be jailbroken at all times. You can re-jailbreak your device. If your battery runs out or you restart your device, you can simply re-jailbreak your device using just Safari without the camera app. You'll find that detailed guide in the description for your ease. Now, if you want to fix WhatsApp on your older devices on iOS 12 and so on, you can also check a detailed guide from the description. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.